Welcome back. This is tutorial 3 on my Melanie Portals outfit. This is the final video of this tutorial and I will finally have this outfit complete. I finally received the last piece I need to finish my skirt. I dyed the trimming with Rit Petal Pink. So for the trimming that I got, that I actually waited for, there's not enough of it. So I'm going to be mixing the existing silky trimming to the skirt. I honestly don't even think this I don't think I'm gonna use this. I waited all this time for this and it's hot pink and it just doesn't match with the existing trimming that I have. So I might just use this. This is what the skirt will look like when everything is situated ruffle-wise all the way around. I have to sew everything down first, but here's a preview of what it's going to look like. Not honestly, I mean without the stuffing in it, but it's going to frill all the way around and it's gonna look so much better when all the stuffing's in. Let's get to sewing! Of course, pin everything down first. Good luck with that. That took a century. Time to sew. Bam, all done. I am going to be sewing bra hooks on the back of the skirt because I don't know what size the buyer of this outfit is. So I'll give them options for different sizes. Probably gonna put 4. Hook pair number 1 in. Second pair of hooks are in. All right, let's do this. Ta-da! Okay, I know the skirt doesn't look as like the picture, but just wait, it looks so much better when it's on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned.